Hi, creators. Sometimes YouTube's rules can sound confusing, especially the ones about reused content. Here's the easy version. What is reused content? Reused content is when you use someone else's videos, music, or clips and don't really make it your own. Think of it like school. If you copy someone else's homework, it's not your work. But if you use information and explain it in your own words with your own ideas, then it becomes your own project. Here are some examples of content. YouTube might not allow for monetization, putting movie, sports, or game clips together with little or no talking. Downloading TikToks, Instagram Reels, or Shorts, and reposting them. Uploading songs from different artists into one video. Re-uploading videos that other people already uploaded. Promoting someone else's content without adding anything new. Copying videos from the internet without changing them in a meaningful way. Making reaction videos where you mostly just sit there without explaining or commenting much. This isn't the full list. YouTube looks at your whole channel to see if you really created the content. How can I avoid reused content? The easiest rule is, add something that only you can bring. For example, talk over the video with your own thoughts. Teach people something. Add jokes or funny commentary. Explain what's happening. Edit the video in a creative way that changes it into something new. If viewers can clearly tell your video is different from the original, you're much more likely to follow YouTube's rules. What happens if I break this rule? If YouTube thinks your videos aren't original, your channel might not be accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. Lose monetization. Stop earning money. If you think YouTube made a mistake, you can appeal the decision in YouTube Studio within 21 days. YouTube usually reviews appeals within about 14 days. What about AI? Using AI does not automatically get you in trouble. You can use AI to create images, make voiceovers, help write scripts, help create videos. But your videos still need to feel original and show that you made them. If your content looks copied or YouTube can't tell that you were the creator, you could still lose monetization. If AI changes or creates parts of your video, YouTube also expects you to let your audience know when the content is AI generated or altered. The golden rule. Before uploading, ask yourself, if someone watched my video and the original, would they clearly see that I added my own creativity, ideas, or personality? If the answer is yes, you're much more likely to be following YouTube's monetization rules. If the answer is no, it's probably a good idea to add more of your own voice, editing, teaching, or entertainment before uploading.